Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to make a sky peeling off kind of an effect. So to get started, we have these two images, this one and this one. So as you might have guessed, this is the image that is going to be in the foreground and this is the image that is going to be in the background. So to start with, what we are going to do is first remove this lock. So let's just double tap on it and rename the layer as, let's say, foreground. Okay, there's a typing mistake, but never mind. The name doesn't matter. Now let's go to edit and go to transform. We'll use the warp effect this time. So go to transform and use warp. So once you tap on warp, you get this kind of a layout, which you might have noticed in the previous tutorials as well. So just drag one corner and take it over here like this at some point like this over here. And then just adjust some other points by dragging this layer like this one over here, and a little over here like this. So we have almost like transformed the image just the way we wanted. Now press enter. So after pressing enter, your image is being saved like this. Now to add a background image over here, we'll go to warp 2 and just drag this image using the move tool and paste it over here. So as you might have noticed, this image is kind of like overlaying on this image, which we don't want. So we'll just drag this layer and keep it over here. So it's now in the background of the image because this layer is the uppermost layer and this is the most visible layer. So this layer is visible over here from behind, and by dragging it we can just adjust the position of the image and we can make it look like this somewhat. So it looks like, it's the original image. It's the clouds are kind of like coming out of the original dark image and being in an open blue sky sort of. So once done, just press enter. Now again go to the main layer, the foreground layer in this case, and we'll use the burn tool to make the parts of sky a little bit darker. So this is the burn tool. You must be looking at like it must be looking like this in your Photoshop. So just tap and hold to select the burn tool, and once you select the burn tool you get all these controls. So I want to set it to 150. This is the stroke size, so 150 is quite good stroke. The range is midtones, exposure is, let's make it 50%, and then just start coloring this dark sides of the sky. Just like this over here, and some part of the land as well. But as you might have noticed, when we are just dragging the brush to burn the part of image, only the midtones are getting burnt out and the whites, these white parts are not getting any sort of effect within them. So to apply the effect to those white sides as well, we'll change the range from midtones to highlights, because highlights are the white parts of the image and we want to burn those parts of image. We'll reduce the size from 150 to 100 and then just zoom into the picture and color the white areas as well. I guess that's short and sweet, subtle image. I'll just reduce the size even more to give the finer details. And then using the dodge tool, which is used for brightening the image, we'll just increase the exposure to 100. Range is again midtones, and we'll just highlight these parts. I'll just increase the brush size to 200 is too much. Let's make it 150. And here we go. So we have kind of added the effect as well as we've burned the certain parts of image to make the contrast look. And this is the final image that we've got after editing. It looks cool, and also you can try more different tricks using other tools as like drop shadow or maybe bevel and emboss. You can try other tools. In this certain case, this is the most that we can do with the image, but in different cases, the different scenarios, you can use different tools to enhance the clarity and the quality of the image, so that looks kind of good and appealing. So well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.